So what I can say here this that we'll try to figure out whether the answer is correct or not. With a foolproof plan we need. So for this question, I'm not going again for this question, but let me just cross verify also. It doesn't seem that we have a foolproof plan here possible. Let me just cross verify the things. If I just, it can be tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail. And obviously, if the other person is not able to see the which value we're getting in the coin, so in that case, obviously, we can say we will get uh, three cases can be there where the both are free because of the condition. Because anyone is correct, then both can go out. So we can say we can take uh, three cases. It's okay, but head tail case is not okay because there can be a possibility that tail head is scheme, but head tail is the word they have chosen. So full proof is not there. Let me just cross verify now because as per my understanding, I can go till that point only. I can cross verify whether what we are correct or not. It is 103. Okay, what is the first? If they both guess randomly, there's a 25% chance both of them mess up. So we need to be smarter. We must base our guess on what we have seen as our result. Okay, let us go to 404. If both of them guess the same as what they have seen, we have an issue. We also have an issue if both of them guess different from what they have seen. Can we mix these up though? So one guesses what they saw and other guesses opposite of what they saw. One guesses what they saw and other guesses opposite. So let us say tail has came. So tail will be the okay. Let us understand like that. It is saying that it is actually saying that for this cases basically. So we have this cases tail. Okay, let me just take something. We have tail. Tail has a tail, head, head, tail, head, and head, tail. These are the you can say first, second, third, and fourth possibilities. And now okay. So what are the other possibilities here? Uh, as per the condition given here, one. So let us say tail has came. So he will imagine that tail will be there for the other part also. That is fine. Okay. And here tail has came, so it will imagine that head is there. Okay. Perceptions. These are the perceptions. So even this is fine. Head has came in both of them. So you'll imagine that tail is there, tail is there. So this is different, but it is not matching up now. Okay. So head has came, so you'll imagine that head will be there. That's also correct. And yeah, because in the first case head has came, so you'll imagine that head is opposite of that, and head has came. Okay, now tail has came, opposite will be head here, and head has came, so you'll imagine that head has came. Okay, and here one will have the same and the other will be opposite. So head and tail. So head has came. So opposite will be head has, okay, head, he'll imagine that head is there, and tail has came. So tail will keep here. Actually head has came here and tail has came in the second part, second persons. First person will imagine that, okay, opposite of that head will be there in that case, and still there is a possibility I can see. So plan is not foolproof. Still, I can, that's my understanding. It's not foolproof. 425. One guesses what they saw, and other guesses opposite to of what they saw. What they saw, opposite. Sorry, opposite. So tail will take here because head has came, and yeah, head will be there in this case. That's correct. I think this will work out, I guess. One guesses, so head and tail has came. Head has came, opposite will be tail. So you'll imagine tail has came here and tail has already came, and tail has came, so tail will take here. Tail has came, so we'll take tail here directly. So tail. So that is again perfectly fine. This is a very good question where I was able to reach till this part, but this can be the further part, I can say. Okay, that is a very good question where understanding is there. If I want to refigure out, then also we can do this. For the first case, we have, let me just, so we have tail, head, tail, head, tail. These are the actuals, okay? These are the actuals. And guesses, I'm just keeping here, guesses. So there are two different guesses. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the actuals, and the guesses. So first person will imagine that same has came. So tail has came here, and he will imagine that opposite has came. Tail has came, so head will become. Then also it is fine. Now first person will imagine the same has came, and other person will imagine that opposite has came. Tail, then also it is fine because one is matching up. Tail has came, so he will just keep tail here, and head has came, the same I will keep here. Okay. Head has came, so opposite I'll keep here. Sorry, opposite I'll keep here. So in that case, it is also fine. And the head has came. So we'll just take head here. Tail has came, so opposite of that, that is head. So this also fine. So all the cases are very, very good. 100% show short condition is there that one person will have to go, whatever he has got, he will have to take. So the solution or the final logic can be, what is the final logic we can use here? Finally, one person can guess same whatever he has got the result, whatever he has got as the result, and other person and other person other person should guess should guess the opposite should guess the opposite of the result he got of the result he got. So this is short guaranteed success. It is guaranteed success. Okay, so it is very good. This part we have done. It is a good question, I will say. The question is good. Okay, this is done, but it is done. I was able to solve it till some part, that is not finally. Okay. So, introduction to counting. We can also read this and we can go further. There's no problem. But right now, I will try to go with some other things. Okay. Right.